hear me good? Can you hear me okay? My name is Nadine Kiswani. I'm the founder and chair of Within Our Lifetime, and I am standing here today at the New York City press conference and rally where healthcare workers and allies are uniting for Gaza. We are joined by Doctors Against Genocide, healthcare workers for Palestine, and over 180 endorsing organizations. We are standing here on January 6th, the official day of calling out sick, the national day of calling out sick from genocide. We are joined by healthcare workers, medics, and New Yorkers who are gathering, calling out sick from genocide. We are demanding an immediate end to the genocide in Gaza and accountability for the systematic targeting of its healthcare system. We are here today honoring Gaza's healthcare workers, including Dr. Hussam Safiyya, the director of Kamal Adwan Hospital, who was abducted, tortured, and disappeared by Israeli occupation forces on December 27, 2024. We are shedding light on the ongoing assault on Gaza's healthcare system, where more than 1,000 medical personnel have been martyred, 450 healthcare workers abducted, and hospitals bombed and turned into military bases. In a statement released by Dr. Safiyya's family, they implore, we call on every living conscience and every international organization to act urgently to ensure our father's release and to stop these crimes. Healthcare workers mobilize in solidarity. They are here attending, wearing their scrubs and white coats, as you can see on my left. We have medics with their medic kits, here to symbolize and stand in solidarity with their counterparts in Gaza, who continue to risk their lives to save others. Dr. Hussam Safiyya actually has dual citizenship with another country that he could have fled to, but he chose to stay, to be there for the patients of Gaza when they needed him the most. He said, we will leave when the last Palestinian leaves. And that's exactly what he did. Before Kamal Adwan Hospital was destroyed, burned out, and bombed by occupation forces. This is the least we can do. Elevate his work, elevate the words of his family. Our key demands for today include the immediate release of Dr. Safiyya and all abducted healthcare workers, an end to the ongoing genocide in Gaza, protection for hospitals, healthcare workers and patients, and accountability for those responsible for these crimes. As Gaza faces the triad of death, wounds from airstrikes, hypothermia, and malnutrition, doctors report patients dying not only from injuries, but also from infectious diseases and famine caused by the collapse of the healthcare system under siege. Dr. Ghassan Abu Sitta, a prominent surgeon, stated, Israel has created a genocidal machine that takes Palestinian lives beyond the bombs and the shrapnel. He has also said, at the moment we have in Gaza what the doctors are referring to as the triad of death. Hypothermia because of the winter, wounding because of the injuries and malnutrition. The coexistence of these three conditions means that the body is depleted of any physiological reserve. Israel has created a genocidal machine that takes Palestinian lives beyond the injury, beyond the bombs, beyond the shrapnel. He also said, the number of martyrs is closer to 300,000, which is around 10 to 12% of Gaza's population. With the arrest of Dr. Hussam Abu Safiyya, where is the British Medical Association? Where is the American Medical Association? Where are the Royal Colleges? Where is the French Medical Association? As a health professional, you're shocked at how completely empty of any moral value these medical associations have become when they have become complicit in a televised genocide which targets doctors. And to his words, I would like to add, this is why we stand in front of NYU Tisch, NYU Langos, a medical center among many in New York City which has ignored, and not only ignored, but enabled the Gaza genocide by ignoring the suffering and killing and genocide of Palestinians and then firing multiple Palestinian healthcare workers for their stance in support of Palestine.